$7. And that is enough to pay for the rental of the facility for today, and whatever we come up with. After we pay today, we still have that. So whatever happens in the auction goes into that kitty. If you have an idea of where to spend the overage or where you would like to see it go, maybe jot it down on a piece of paper and give it to Teresa, and she'll share that with us later. Well, I have smelled a few things in my day, and these all smell better than some earlier smells that I remember. I'm going to start with, oh no! Don't look, don't look. Bubble gum, would you like to shake it? Shake it, make sure it's full, is it?
Yeah. Just a little bit. Just a little.
Should we sell these together or each?
Oh, each.
Oh, each? Do I have a bid for 1 yard of bubble gum? Just
50 cents.
60 cents. $1.
$1.10.
$1.10. 15. Oh, $1.50. We're jumping up. $1.50. $1.70.
$1.80.
$1.80.
$1.90.
$1.90. Dang, we're gonna make like $7 today.
Mia said $1.100.
$1.90.
No, Mia said $1.100.
Who said $1.90? Any other takers? $1.90 going once. $2. $2 going twice.
$2.